Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from LPM School. In this video, we will talk about the how do acid and bases are react to each other, and after that we will discuss about the how the bases are react with non-metallic oxide, and these two aspects we will discuss with the help of activity. Now, the how acid and bases acids and bases are react to each other. How acid and bases react to each other. Now, as we know that if we take the example of, if you take the two test tube that is which contain acid and another test tube which contain base, and when you add both contain acid and bases, these are both are colorless solution. But when we add into base the phenolphthalein, it the all base is converted into pink color. This colorless base is converted into pink color, and when we start adding this acid which is HCl. Suppose this base is NaOH. सपोज आपने बेस NaOH लिया है और उसमें आपने फिनोल्फ्थालीन ऐड किया और वो कलरलेस NaOH पिंक में कन्वर्ट हो गया, और इसमें अगर आप ऐड करेंगे फिनोल्फ्थालीन तो कोई कलर नहीं आएगा. फिनोल्फ्थालीन अगर आप ऐड कर लेंगे तो देयर इज नो कलर. It remain colorless. अगर इसमें आप फिनोल्फ्थालीन ऐड करेंगे तो ये कलरलेस ही रहेगा. बट इसमें अगर बेस में आप फिनोल्फ्थालीन ऐड करते हैं तो द होल कलरलेस बेस इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू पिंक कलर. एंड देन अगर आप इस कलर में ऐड करने की कोशिश करते हैं, इस पिंक कलर के सॉल्यूशन में अगर स्टेप बाय स्टेप ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप अगर HCl ऐड करते हैं तो दोनों के बीच में रिएक्शन क्या होगा, तो आपका रिएक्शन बनेगा. जब ऐड करना शुरू करेंगे तो ये पिंक कलर जो हो जाएगा फिर लास्ट में अल्टीमेट वो डिसकलराइज हो जाएगा या कलरलेस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. मींस द एसिड एंड बेसेस आर न्यूट्रलाइज्ड टू ईच अदर एंड वाइस वर्सा. नाउ द रिएक्शन विल बी written as NaOH plus HCl will give rise to NaCl plus H2O. Now this base which is pink color after addition of phenolphthalein after that this pink color basic solution after addition of acid it will convert it into colorless salt, which is sodium chloride, and it is a water. So after the reaction of bases and acid, they neutralize to each other and formation of salt plus water. Now we will take another example of acids and bases. So now we will see another example of acids and bases. Suppose आपने लिया MgOH मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड MgOH का होल ट्वाइस प्लस H2SO4. What will happen? It will formation of MgSO4 plus H2O. But it is not balanced. We should add two on this side, because there is a 4 H2 and 2 oxygen molecule are present. So it is a magnesium hydroxide and sulfuric acid combined to each other, formation of magnesium sulfate and water molecule. Now calcium hydroxide plus HNO3 it will give rise to formation of calcium nitrate. It will be form calcium nitrate plus water molecule plus water. It is a, we will need to add that, and the whole atoms are get balanced. Now take one more example of this neutralization reaction. It is a KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, and it will add with HCl, and it will give rise to KCl, that is potassium chloride, and formation of H2. Now one more example, suppose that sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, and connect with CH3COOH. It will combine to each other and formation of CH3COONA, that is sodium acetate, and these hydrogen and these hydrogen, sorry, this is also hydroxide, combine to each other and formation of water molecule, that is H2O. So it is the formation of sodium acetate, that is sodium acetate. Now after all these 5 neutralization reaction which is done between acid and bases, we get concluded when the acid and bases are react to each other, formation of salt plus water. Now take the another example. Now we will also discuss about what will happen when the metallic oxide, what will happen when metallic oxide react with acid. So now this activity, these things we will understand with the help of activity. The activity number 1, activity एक्टिविटी में हमें क्या लेना है, टेक द कॉपर ऑक्साइड CuO, copper oxide, and copper oxide is the black color generally, black color, and addition of HCl or maybe addition of HCl in a beaker, and it may be copper oxide and it is HCl and addition of copper oxide, that is CO. In this activity, the whole colorless HCl is converted into blue green. ये ऑलरेडी कलरलेस होता है, और जब कॉपर ऑक्साइड डालते हैं इसमें तो ये कन्वर्ट हो जाता है ब्लू ग्रीन में. हाउ इट हैपन और व्हाई द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्लू ग्रीन कलर आफ्टर द एडिशन ऑफ कॉपर ऑक्साइड एंड HCl? बिकॉज when the copper oxide react with HCl, it produce copper second chloride, CuCl2 plus H2O, CuCl2 plus H2O. अब यहां पे दो हाइड्रोजन है, यहां पे एक ही हाइड्रोजन है. You have to balance about it. So we will add on the front of HCl the 2, that is 2Cl and 2H2O. So it is a copper oxide, and it is a, as you know that, hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric एसिड. ये हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है. तो आपस में जब रिएक्ट करेंगे तो क्या बनाएंगे, कॉपर क्लोराइड बनाएंगे, कॉपर क्लोराइड एंड वाटर. सो this is a copper oxide or metallic oxide, and they are formed salt plus water. Now we will take another example of metallic oxide. ये तो एग्जाम्पल हो गया एक सिंपल मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड का, जो कि कॉपर ऑक्साइड है और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है, और CuCl2 कॉपर क्लोराइड फॉर्म कर रहा है और वाटर बना रहा है. तो कॉपर क्लोराइड ऑलरेडी सॉल्ट है और वाटर, और सॉल्ट और वाटर कब बनते हैं, जब एसिड और बेसिस आपस में रिएक्ट करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे एक तो एसिड है, ये कंफर्म है, ऑलरेडी इट इज एसिड. बट ये कॉपर का या मेटल का जो ऑक्साइड होता है वो किस नेचर का होगा? अगर ये एसिड है तो ये बेसिक नेचर का होना चाहिए, तभी तो आपका सॉल्ट और वाटर फॉर्म हो रहा है. मीन्स दैट द कॉपर ऑक्साइड, ऑल कॉपर ऑक्साइड, लेट्स सी द अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड, दैट इज फर्स्ट इज, suppose you take the another example of metallic oxide, that is first magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide react with HCl, that is same acid. When the magnesium oxide is react with HCl, it will produce magnesium chloride, MgCl2, and formation of H2O. Same thing happen. Now we will take another example, that is CO, that is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide से जब आपने react करा है, that is take another example, another acid. Suppose that you will take the H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. When you react with calcium oxide with H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, it produce calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate, that is also salt, and H2O. It is already formed, the formation of salt and water. Now another example of, that is K2O, that is potassium oxide. Potassium oxide react with HNO3, that is HNO3, it react to each other, that is KNO3, that is potassium nitrate and water. So now in this way, dear student, after addition of these all metallic oxide, that is copper oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide and potassium oxide, when they react with all types of acid, that is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and HNO nitric acid, they will form in same type of salt, that is copper chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate and potassium nitrate, and all form H2O. So now in this way we can say that this all metallic oxide, these all metallic oxide work as all acid is conformed, but these metallic oxide are act as basic nature. So we can conclude on this reaction, we will know that the all metallic oxide are basic in nature. Now in this way we can understand about what will happen when the metallic oxide react with acid. So in this way we can already observe that the all metallic oxide react with acid, they will form the salt plus water. Another aspect we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.